friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your fabulous fab friend Jacky Navarro, and if you're new here to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And for today's video, we're gonna do another product review, which you guys are really fond of. You really like my product reviews. So for today, we're gonna review a magnetic eyelash, fake eyelash. Thank you for sending this to me. This is from Singapore. This is the Wake Up and Make Up. I really like their slogan, Wake Up and Make Up. So this is the packaging. So let's open the box. There you go. And ta-da! They really have a really nice packaging. So this is the magnetic eyelash, and it says that this is made in China, but the one who sent me this is from Singapore. So they sent me all the way. Hello, lash lover. Really nice. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, so they have a really nice pink eyelash tweezer. Oh, they have the instruction manual on how to apply it. So it says here, remove lashes, hold top lashes, then position, leave it without blinking. Place bottom lash and instant volume and length. So the instruction is here. So this is the packaging. Parang palette lang. Ooh, so it has a mirror and the top lash and the bottom lashes. I mean bottom, like in this part, not the bottom lash. So nice. So it has top left, right left. So it has label that is really nice. So this is the top right. So this is my right. So let's just do this just to shape this lashes according to the shape of our eyes. So I'm not gonna cut it anymore. This is really nice because you don't have to put some eyelash glue and it's not messy and you can reuse it. Ooh! It has 3 magnets. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So can you see it? 1 on the middle and then 2 on the sides. Oh, by the way, the packaging also has a magnet. There you go. The bottom lash. 1, 2, 3, click. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, click. Ooh. The middle. One. Ay! Okay. What do you think? I don't think it's nice. Look at this one. What happened? Let's do it again. This side is just right, but the inner corner is I don't know. Let's do it again. I think you need some practice in doing this because I don't find it easy applying this thing. But you know, applying eyelashes is really difficult, even the ones with the glue. Let's start again. There you go. So I was able to fix it. So what I did is I started sticking the one on the middle and then inner corner and then the outer corner, and then you really have to open your eyes really wide like this. So I haven't put my lashes on the left side, so let me just show it to you again. So I started on the middle part. Make sure that your eyes is like wide open, and then whoops, there you go. And then just fix it again. There you go. And then the inner corner. 1, 2, 3, bam. And then the outer corner. Let's fix it first. Wide open, eyes wide open. 1, 2, 3. Bam. There you go. Easy. It feels a little heavy and it's not easy to apply. You need to practice a little bit more to apply this lashes, but so far so good. I like the lashes. This is good for like partying or special events, but not for everyday use, or it's up to you if you want to be extra. But so far so good, and thank you for sending me this lashes. By the way guys, if you would like to try or buy the magnetic lashes, I will just put the link or the website on my description box, and also I have a gift for you, so you can get as much as 10% discount from the total amount. Just use my promotion code right here. It's Jacky 10 to get the 10% off. That's it, fabulous fab friends. Thank you guys for watching me again. Don't forget to click the like button, and of course, if you want to get notification every time I have a new video, click the notification bell button below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you again on our next video. As always, stay fabulous, and I love you guys. And for today's quote, as promised, this is something you know to think about. This is from Edmund Burke. You can never plan the future by the past. Alright guys, if you have any quote that you want to feature on this channel, you can comment down below and I will surely use them on my next video. As always guys, thank you and stay fabulous. Love ya.